I just got this farm in store, and when I was buying my items, I contacted the pawn seller that I needed a Tarpaulin pawn, and I gave him the dimension that I needed. And I told him that specifically I want white color, and he was surprised. And he categorically told me that I am the first person to have requested white Tarpaulin pawn. Everybody is requesting black, green, blue, and other colors. And the main reason is washing. That Tarpaulin pawn, the dust shows faster and you need to wash it. But others, it is hiding them. I equally told him that is very true. They are right, but that is the other aspect of them. But I also have the reason I need the white one. And to me, my reason is paramount. Before I give you that reason, if you are not subscribed to this channel, please do so. Like, comment, let me know your experience, and let's dive in details. I know a lot of farmers, when they are buying their fish pond, they concentrate more on the size, the thickness, and the cost. They care less about the color of the pond. But I care. Why did I care? I visited a farm at Accra. In fact, the Accra Regional Director of Agric Farms I visited. I don't want to mention name because I've not seek that permission from him. So when I visited, he had different colors of fish ponds. He himself asked me to check something. Then he made me touch the black color, and it was very hot. And then I touched the other color. It wasn't all that white, but it was brighter than the black and the green. And it was hot, but it was lesser. So the black one was hotter, but the other one was hot. I want you get it right. This is indication of absorption of heat by the black or the other colors. So the black and other colors absorbs heat, whilst the white color reflects heat. And when it comes to heat, absorption of heat affects the temperature of the fish. And it is very, very important to note that the temperature of the pond can actually affect the fish, and it is affecting it very badly. So if you compare the disaster that it will cause you to keep a proper wash, it is far, far better than keeping it warm. So I make sure that I always keep my white pond clean and it reflects the heat. And if you are someone who do not like to always clean your pond, go in for the other types. However, my honest recommendation is that if the temperature of your location is hot, please go for white pond, no matter the difficulties in washing them. If the temperature is hot because of the reflection of the heat. But if you are at a cooler area, you can go for other colors. Another advantage of the white is that, yes, the dirt shows fast. The algae bloom, the dirt, the stains, it is visible. I can clean them. If there's a dead fish under the bottom, you easily see and do the neating or the needful for cleaning. But all of the others, the dirt will keep accumulating, keep accumulating. If you're not washing, by the time you realize, it will start harming your fish. So the earlier you see the dirt and you clean, the better for you. Yes, It is difficult to wash, but I'll give you a trick that's making it lesser difficult. If you are draining the water in a pond, don't drain everything before you start washing the tarpaulin, because if the dirt gets dry on the edges, it becomes very difficult to clean. You even have sometimes to even soak it again. But once you are draining the water, as the water is going down, get your sponge or your brush ready and be cleaning along. And it's much easier. You'll be cleaning along. By the time you get to the bottom, all the edges are clean. You just left with the bottom. That's how I clean my ponds. But if you don't do that, not only the white one, all the ponds, all the colors, including concrete pond, if you drain the water and allow the dirt to dry, it becomes a problem. Yes, to give you conclusion, people can go for white tarpaulin tank or they can go for other colors. But I chose white because it reflects heat, whilst others absorb heat. I thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to check our resources. We have a course, comprehensive course in the description. We also have filtration and energy system course where you can enroll yourself. We also have ebooks all in fish farming and aquaculture. Enroll on them. Let's grow our fish together. Thank you so much for watching. And my name is Abdulaziz Issa. This is Fako Aquaponics.